for you since I've been gone.
Hi, my name is Travesh and I'm from AudioSecure. This is a Chevy Lumina Ute with a 6-liter LS motor. This customer drove in for a vehicle inspection, was very impressed with one of our current projects. Surprisingly, the next day dropped the keys, dude, do your magic. I was startled, no question asked on budget, and the customer just says, proceed as if it's your own vehicle. It was a difficult client to deal with because he said, Travesh, do as you please. Impress me at the end, that's all. I went to my magician, Lenny. We put some RGs together. Decided we're going for 2 12-inch subwoofers, Rockford Fosgate, 3 amplifiers, 1 amplifier per subwoofer, and a power Rockford Fosgate power split and coaxial. A complete mind-blowing experience by Rockford Fosgate. Well, the vehicle inspired after the characteristics, the rims, the tires, paintwork, suspension. We needed to compete with a loud exhaust system. So we needed to give the client an experience on his audio system to compete with his exhaust system. And we just went one step at a time. I've got no place else to go. Well, initially this vehicle was black in color. We had it Range Rover, lowered the suspension, some 20-inch wheels. We did a custom roof wrap on it. We cut the bin enclosure to accommodate the speakers in there, the subwoofers, and a wild exhaust system. I'm not sure what his intentions are to have the engine further modified. This project is something we dream, live, and work towards. It's in our bloods, and we take it every day at a time. For your next audio upgrade, visit us on www.audiosecure.co.za. Visit us on Facebook, Instagram audio_secure, and more than happy to assist.
For you since I've been